If Steam is showing an HTTP error 503, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This issue is usually related to Steam's connection, download servers, or cached data. And the good news is that you can often solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. So if you want to get Steam working again quickly, stay right here and follow along. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes, gaming tips, and easy tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Alright, let's get into the fix. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. This opens the main menu where you can access the settings that control how Steam connects and downloads content. From the menu, click Settings. This is where you'll find the options that can help fix connection-related errors, including the HTTP error 503 issue. When the settings window opens, go to the download section. This part is especially important because Steam's download settings can affect how it connects to its servers. If the current download region is having problems or is overloaded, that can sometimes trigger the error you're seeing. Now look for download region. Click the drop-down menu and change it to a different region. Ideally, choose a nearby location that is still reasonably close to you, but different from the one you were using before. This small change can help Steam connect through a healthier server route and may instantly resolve the problem. After changing the region, scroll down and click Clear Download Cache. Steam may ask you to confirm this action, and if it does, go ahead and confirm it. Clearing the download cache removes temporary data that can become corrupted or outdated, and that is one of the most common reasons Steam starts throwing connection or loading errors. Once the cache is cleared, Steam will usually ask you to sign in again, or it may restart automatically. If it doesn't restart on its own, close Steam completely and then open it again manually. Restarting Steam is important because it allows the new download region and cleared cache to fully take effect. After Steam reopens, try loading the store, your library, or starting the download again. In many cases, the HTTP error 503 will be gone at this point and Steam should work normally. If you're still seeing the error, you can repeat the process one more time and try a different download region again. Sometimes a region may still be congested, so testing another nearby server can make the difference. The key thing is to give Steam a fresh connection path and remove any cached data that may be causing the issue. So to quickly recap, the fix is to open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, and then restart Steam. That simple process solves the HTTP error 503 for a lot of users. If this guide helped you fix Steam HTTP error 503, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up tutorial showing more Steam fixes like download stuck errors, update problems, and connection issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.